Hey guys, welcome back in a new video titled How to Earn Passive Income with a Blog. Everyone says that the internet is one of the easiest way to earn easy money from home. Yes, it is easy to set up an internet business with little or no money upfront, but questions abound. How do you get visitors to your site to buy your product or click on your pay-per-click ads? Firstly, let's take a look at how to earn money online. You can make money online even if you have no products. That means there will be no inventory and no logistic cost too. One of the ways to earn money online is to create a blog. Creating a blog is free. Then go and apply for Google Adsense and Google will put advertisement on your blog. When visitors to your blog click on your ads, Google will pay you a commission and you can receive monthly payments from Google. Now, your blog must be found for people to visit your blog and click on your advertisements. The best way for your blog to be seen is through the search engine because every day millions, if not billions of searches are done on the internet. What is more, if your site can be found on the internet, you get visitors and potential customers to your blog for free. The problem is that billions of blogs and websites are out there and people typically don't look beyond the second page of search engine results. In other words, if your blog does not make it to the first two pages of any search result, it will probably not be found and your dream of making easy money at home will be dashed unless you cough out cash and advertise your site. So guys, before going further, I want to tell you about Gururo. Gururo is a one-stop destination to transform your career through higher education and executive programs. Gururo provides top undergraduate and postgraduate courses at a fractional cost. So if you want to advance in your career, consider booking a free consultation at the link in the description. However, think about it. What if your blog can reach the first two pages of major search engine for many of your keywords? Hey, you will get thousands of visitors daily and bring hundreds to thousands of clicks on your ad. What happens then is that you are receiving passive income. Now imagine what will happen when you duplicate this process again and again and you will have multiple passive income streams without capital investment or business risk. Setting up blogs is an easy way to earn money, but finding your blog needs some work. However, these blogs can almost be left to autopilot once done. Well, there are hundreds of things search engine consider when ranking your blog. So it will be too simplistic for me to explain it in a short video like this. If you go to the internet and type in search engine optimization or SEO, you will find many articles and books that can teach you how to get top ranking in search engines. So, you want to find easy ways to earn money? Then learn how to get the top search engine ranking for your blog. Besides that, you will probably have to spend some money advertising your blog and the return on investment may not be what you want. But on that note, it is all for today's video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Comment your thoughts in the comment section, and if you want more videos like these, consider subscribing our channel, hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from Gururo. Thank you. I will see you in the next video.